Hi, I'm back, and in this case I got an induction heater for free from Banggood, and I think we'll have a look at it. So let's open this box or case, and here you have it. And of course it comes with a user manual and some do's and don'ts. This induction heater does only work with magnetic material like steel. It's not going to work with brass or aluminium or something like that. And maximum heating time 2 minutes. So what do we have in this box? Well, we have coils, 2 of this size and 2 of this size, and you got 2 smaller coils, and as you can see you can bend them as you like, and this is 2.5 millimeters copper wire, and they got some insulation on it, glass fiber with a thin silicone layer at the top. All right, and then we got 2 like this, and these are for if you want to heat a tube or something. You wind this around the tube to form a coil, and then you can heat it up. And then we got this mini inductor. Well, it's not so mini, I think. It's rather big. And you got a LED in the front so you can see what you do. And here's the on button, on, off. You have to press this all along when you're heating up something. When you release it, it shuts down. And inside here you get a fan for cooling. Alright, you unscrew these 2 knobs, and then you can put the coil in like so. Tighten this and this so you could have a good connection, and then you're ready to go. So let's test it. Oh, one thing more. This is 1000 watts and 230 volts. And one thing more, I have already used this. A friend of mine was going to change the brake disc in the back of a car, and he couldn't loosen up a couple of bolts. So I went over there and heated them up with this, and they got loose. No problem at all. Alright, once again, let's test this. Okay, let's test this on this nut here. I turn off the light, and then we see a little bit better. Alright, here we go. Starting to smoke. A lot of smoke. All Alright, I think that is enough. You see it's red hot. 2. Easy peasy. No problem. And this, not this. Really hot now. I use this plier. I'll put some light on. Okay, that was easy. Let's try something more difficult. Okay, what do you think about this? It's pretty rusty. So question is, should I heat here or should I heat here? I think we try both methods. We heat one screw here and the other one on the bottom here. I put this in the vise and we try it. Okay, now we're gonna test it. I turn off the light. You can still see it, okay? Well, this isn't gonna work. I had to do like this. Something like this. Okay, here we go. All right. Some light. I think we need a little more heat, in fact. That's a bit better. Try it again. Nope. I think it's better to heat, let's see, on the back side. If you can put it maybe like this. So, all right, I turn off the light. And have a go. Right. Let's see. It's moving. We get some oil on it too. It's really hot. So, we got one loose, one to go. Alright, I think I bend this metal sheet a bit here. Get a little bit better access. That will do it. Off with the light, and here we go again, heating it up. Okay, here we go, and see if that's enough. Maybe needs a bit more heat. Yeah, I think so. More heat. All right. Yep, it's moving. That's a great thing. In this case, anyway. this in another position. Like this maybe. Try that. Yep. Okay. Easy peasy. I took one of this and made myself a coil for a tube like this. So let's have a go on that too. So first of all, zoom in a bit. Like so. Turn off the light. And here we go. A little bit tight. As you can see, it gets very hot. This was fun. We do it once more. I made the coil a little bit bigger this time. You should in reality have about 5mm space around. Alright, let's see if it heats up. A lot of smoke. Coming out. And it's glowing red hot. Alright. Seems to work pretty good, I think. By time, so will this insulation here get cracked due to heat. You can see it right there. So then you have to buy a new one, perhaps. Or you could. I have this piece of electrical copper wire, and this is only 2mm diameter. This one is 2.5. But anyway, I tried. You can rip off this insulation of it, as I have done. And I made this coil. And it's a little bit smaller diameter, you can see here. And for insulation, what did I use for this? Well, I used this type of electrical tape, and this is supposed to withstand heat. So I think let's try this homemade coil and see how it works. Okay, let's try my homemade coil. I turn off the light, and then we put the coil over here, and here we go. And there you are. It's working very good, in fact. Alright then, I think it's time to sum up this then. The bigger coils are 2-inch inner diameter, and this one are 1.5 inner diameter inch, and this 1-inch inner diameter. And of course you can make your own coils out of this material, and you can bend them as you like to suit your work. And well, I think it's, in my opinion, I think it's really handy to have this tool to loosen up rusted bolts and nuts and things like that without using an open flame, and you can burn down the house. That's not good. So I actually gonna give this tool a thumbs up. It's really nice to have, I think. I think that will be all I had to say about this, and I maybe have said it before, but I say it again. Leave a link down below in the text, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.